Hello,
Hi.
how are you? My name is Aladdin.
Hi, nice.
Sorry to bother you. Have you seen this person right here?
No, I haven't actually.
He told me to meet here. It's been 5 minutes.
And nobody's really passed by right now.
What is your name?
My name's
How are you? I'm Aladdin, like I said.
Hey.
You are very beautiful, Lisa. What are you doing here?
Thank you. Just waiting for my friend to pick me up right now.
We could go for like a drink right now or something. I have a lot of time to kill. Today is like my free day. I'm just waiting for my ride to come.
My friend is gonna come right now. I'm kind of late for something, so I'm okay. Thank you.
What about like for lunch? I know you're hungry. It's lunchtime.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I buy you good food. Whatever you want, I buy for you. It's no problem for me.
Somebody that I'm seeing right now, so.
You're seeing somebody, it's
Yeah,
okay, they won't
yeah.
know. We can still, work things out. It's just a nice dinner. We get to know each other
It's
perfectly.
really nice, but I'm okay. Thank you so
Can
much.
can I get your number maybe? Maybe because I'm leaving the country in a month, and maybe I get your number before I leave. We see each other. You come to my place.
No, I'm sorry.
But the way you sound like that means you do other things without him being aware. That means this is not a serious relationship. That's what I'm
I
getting.
mean, it is gonna be serious soon. I mean, it's just.
So you just met the person.
I'm sorry. I'm just. Like,
It's okay. You meet me too. Maybe I'm good if you give me time.
I'm okay. I really am. I'm not interested.
All right, have a good day, Lisa.
Yeah, you too.
Just got rejected, but I have a feeling she's gonna go for it. Tell them to pull in, and I hope you're recording this shit.
Yo, I need these business deals done right now. They all have to be done. $5 million now, $20 million next week. All these business deals, they have to be done, bro. Like, please, this money in Dubai is holding me up. I need the money right now. You have to get it done today. Please, bro. I really, really need this done. You understand me? All this business is on hold until you get it done right now. I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. That's not normally me. I'm not from here, so it's like, I'm frustrated. But God, you are so beautiful.
Thanks.
Wow. You got a boyfriend or something? I mean, he's just gonna let you sit here all by yourself?
No, I don't have a boyfriend.
Are you sure? There's no way you don't have a boyfriend. Are you from here?
I am from here actually.
I'm not from here, so I'm really trying to do something. Like maybe go have a drink, have dinner.
Really?
Like maybe you could show me around.
Yeah, absolutely. I know some places. Maybe if you want to go, do you feel like getting a drink?
I'm down for a drink. Have you ever been in a Rolls Royce?
No, I
Would you like to
haven't
check it
actually.
out?
Yeah, absolutely. It's really nice.
I just got it. I just got to town.
Oh, wow.
Business has been good. Met for a queen, just like you.
Okay. So where are you from?
I'm from Dubai.
I tell him to bring my car here. Look at him. Look at this fool. Hey, Baba, where have you been?
I'm sorry, sir.
Hey, kujama kezem spasu mara.
busy for you talking to Dubai. All the money in Dubai. Right now, all this
Where
money,
is
I
it?
don't-
Los Angeles, man.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
What
I'm
is
sorry.
she doing
Sir,
in there?
This is. I brought her for you, sir.
What are you doing in my car?
Your car?
I thought you waiting for your friend to come.
Oh my god.
You let me drive this car, I drive myself. You take my bodyguard, you left me with this translator that doesn't even know English. You embarrassing me in public. This is how Prince works?
I'm sorry, sir.
You are fired when we go back to Dubai. No more.
Please.
No more.
Please.
Translate please for her. He's going to translate. Ասա սրան, որ ինքը շատ գեղեցիկ կլնա, ես իրան կուզեմ.
He's telling me that you're very beautiful and that he want to take you somewhere or get to know you.
You know.
Ասա որ շատ չխոսա, ես ժամ չունեմ, ուզում եմ իրան տանեմ հաց կուտենք.
He say he doesn't have time and he want to take you somewhere to eat. He doesn't have time. He go back to his
Ասա որ
country.
շատ սիրուն կլնա ինքը.
Says you very beautiful,
You
very
know what?
beautiful.
Yeah, my plans fell through, so definitely.
You come with Aladdin?
Asmaha.
Aladdin takes you. Sorry, wives, I take another one right now. Come meet my wives.
Oh my god.
Shahada Yahara, I told you.
What do you tell me?
You have 10 already. You have 10 wives. You want more? Calm down. No, don't tell me.
She's
calm
not
down.
my wife.
No.
Let's go eat with her.
No.
You stop talking and start making out. This is why I pay you for $500,000. I will cut your check. I cut your check. Start making out right now. Start making out. Kiss each other. Give some entertainings for my people. You come with me. We go dinner. This is my wife's, but we go dinner together, okay? And I pay for
You
your
don't have
food.
much time.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Ասա կուզենամ, ասա իրան, որ ես կուզենամ նկարեմ իրան ավտոյի հետ, շատ գեղեցիկ նկար ելնի։
He's saying me to he want take picture with you with the next two car. You very
You
beautiful
take
with the
picture with my car,
Oh, totally.
but this one is good. Take picture right here for you, stand right here, it's beautiful.
Your stuff, sir.
This is going to Dubai, everybody see, all my castle.
Isn't it good?
Շատ լավ կլնա։ Իրան ասա, որ ինքը ոսկի է սիրում, սիկտիրելնի ստեղից։
He want me to tell you that he take a picture so he can show everybody in Dubai how much of a gold digger you are, and he wants you to leave.
What?
Get out now. You go with this car, we take the other one. Unlock the door, sir. What do I hire you for?
Sorry, Habibi.
Come on. Get in now. We go to castle. You go now. We don't like you no more. You are a gold digger.
You are not a wife. You are not a wife. You are a gold digger. You don't talk to my husband, okay?
Okay, go. Time to have sex. Let's go. It's time. My pee-pee hurts. I think I have herpes. Let's go. Why are you mad at me?
Because you do this every time, Aladdin. Every time.
But that's what Aladdin does. Aladdin likes wives. I like to have many wives.
I don't
When
care.
I
You
hit
have
50
too
years
many.
old, I want to
You
have 20 wives
too
with 20
many.
kids.
You have too many.
Who
I
will
cannot
rule
keep-
Dubai if there is
I
no
cannot-
prince? Why are you mad at me, okay? This whole ride you've been telling me that I cannot have another one.
I told you you have too many already.
It's
you
okay.
have too many.
I
No,
have 10,
no,
11 is
no,
good,
no,
no?
no. What about me? Can I have 10, 11?
You're my first one anyway.
Does not.
When I go
it
to
doesn't
bed, you're
matter.
the-
What the hell is this?
I don't know, she's a gold digger. Go follow my wife over here. The link of her Instagram is in the video description right now, and also I'm popping it on the screen for helping me out and pretending me to be my wife.
Shebe.
I divorced the other one, she went home.
This
But
is the
you got
name.
some cleaning to do, wife.
Yeah, I got some cleaning
Here,
to do.
start-
really?
start sweeping,
really,
'cause
really,
it's dirty.
really. This is
Yeah.
for fucking the maid.
How much of a difference it took that she denied him or rejected him, and then just after seeing the cars, like it's all about the flashy stuff, bro.
It's all
like
about the money.
it's
all about the
2020
money,
or
bro.
it's 2019. Like every girl, that like 99% of them, that's what they're into, bro.
Yeah.
She just like that, like just went for it right away.
That's
Just-
What do you think,
just because of the
What do you think of her situation, bro, right here?
I mean, if you're gonna ask me, I love this life. I can't wait to see gold diggers because they just come. You see, I have a nice car, nice house. Come on, let's go. All right.
Can you take me out on a date?
You're a gold digger?
No, but I like the cars.
That girl was ridiculous. As soon as she saw the car, she did not take a minute. She was like, I'm out, I'm in with this guy. And you know what? That's usually okay if your interest is in the person, but just to be all about the car, like, that's just dumb, and that's why you get what you get after doing what you did.
Honestly, for a second when we're doing it, like, you know, like I was just throwing my airbags in and stuff, I thought like it was gonna be totally ruined, because, you know, for a second I thought she was gonna like notice that we're doing it as a joke. But she still bought it, bro. She still wanted to hang out, so I guess
I told you
she
you look
didn't
like
catch
a
it.
prince.
I look like a prince?
Yeah, I'd date you.
Pillow man matters, bro.
I'm just saying.
We just released a music video on our channel yesterday. Some of you guys found it that we're trying to cloud chase by, you know, dissing Vitaly, but here is a pop-up screen picture. I don't know who's chasing who here. He's been reposting my videos on his Facebook page without my permission and making some money off it. I don't know who's chasing who here, you know. You figure that out. Guys, I want you to go and give my boy Jason a follow on Instagram. Help him to get 10,000 subscribers. He helped me out today. He brought the 2 whips. This guy is a baller and he's like my big brother.
But I just
So
want to give you a kiss.
Aladdin is mad now. His Instagram link is gonna be in the video description as well, and also I am popping it on the screen if you guys have not noticed. If you guys enjoyed today's content, please subscribe, hit the notification bell on so you guys don't miss out any future videos. You know how the routine goes, man. Some of y'all say that you guys don't get notified, and that's because you don't have your notification bell on, and you gotta turn it on to all, you know, so every time we release a video, you're the first one to watch, comment, you know, like, or maybe dislike. I don't know what's the deal. Some of y'all come in just to dislike, which is cool. I don't care, it works. The link for the music video is also gonna be in the video description below. Follow me on Instagram, the link is also in the video description, and I'll see you guys in a few days.